Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best slow motion camera that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the GoPro HERO8 Black 4K waterproof action camera. GoPro is practically a synonym for the best slow motion action camera these days, with good reason. The GoPro Hero 8 is a high-speed camera you can trust to keep up with your adventurous lifestyle. The exceptional Hyper-Smooth 2.0 mode will mitigate any camera shake issues, and the built-in mounting hardware makes setting up to record slow-motion video a piece of cake. On the downside, all these special options mean the GoPro has a shorter battery life than most cameras on this list. You can expect to record for about an hour before needing to recharge. Moreover, you can make the most of super stabilized time-lapse videos with GoPro's Time Warp 2.0 feature. Another handy addition is the Live Burst mode, which catches the 1.5 seconds before and after your shots, perfect for capturing slow motion footage. Moving on at number 4, we have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III digital camera. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a slow-mo camera with all the characteristics of a powerful video recorder. Although it might not be the best 4K slow motion camera out there, it still has several amazing features those looking for action cameras will appreciate. This slow motion camera is another tiny candidate on this list, 105.5 x 60.9 x 41.4 mm. But its video recording power won't let you down. You can make slow motion footage in 4K video resolution at up to 30 FPS and up to 120 FPS in Full HD, a rare trait for compact cameras. Even though the autofocus system fails on occasion, the company's new image processor update stabilizes it to the point of perfection. At number 3, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket Handheld 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer. The DJI Osmo Pocket is a strong competitor to GoPro slow motion cameras in terms of practicality. It's also undoubtedly the best slow motion camera for those on a budget. You can rely on it to catch all important moments in Full HD or 4K video resolution, depending on the frame rate you want. The DJI Osmo Pocket's dimensions are 121.9 x 36.9 x 28.6 mm, easily fitting into the palm of your hand. It's simple to operate and can accompany you everywhere, collecting slow motion footage of priceless memories. This gimbal camera can record videos in 4K resolution at an astonishing 60 FPS, making for some awesome slow-mo videos. Its stabilization system helps create spectacular videos, making it an excellent slow-motion camera. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS R5 mirrorless camera. Mirrorless cameras for creating slow-motion videos have only one representative on our list, and it's also the priciest and the most powerful of the bunch. If you want some exquisite scenes shot in 8K video resolution with an astounding frame rate, the Canon EOS R5 is the full-frame camera for you. Unlike other slow-motion cameras listed here, the Canon EOS R5's dimensions are slightly bigger, 138.5 x 97.5 x 88 mm. On the other hand, it's the only slow-mo camera whose image processor can shoot footage in 8K. Making it an excellent choice for those who value high resolutions. It also records in 4K at 120 FPS, which secures its place among the best cameras for high slow motion frame rates. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera. Sony RX107 is another pocketable contender for the best slow motion 4K camera title. For a device of its size, it makes some extraordinary 4K videos, and it is one of the few devices that can achieve 120 FPS in that resolution. It's a perfect slow motion camera for beginners, as creating breathtaking videos requires minimal tweaking. The RX107 was designed primarily for vloggers, so the built-in microphone port and image stabilization system seem like excellent additions to an already great camera. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.